Samsung's Galaxy S Ultra design journey has been pretty interesting. Think back to the Galaxy S20 Ultra. It had those soft, rounded corners. The S21 Ultra kept the same style. But then came the Galaxy S22 Ultra, and that's when things changed. Samsung introduced sharp, boxy corners, giving the phone a futuristic and aggressive vibe. It looked bold, but let's be honest, it wasn't the most comfortable phone to hold for hours at a time. That squared-off design carried over to the S23 Ultra and S24 Ultra. But with the Galaxy S25 Ultra, Samsung listened to feedback and went back to rounded corners, instantly making the device feel more comfortable, similar to Apple's iPhone 16 Pro Max, which leaned heavily into curves. Now, with the upcoming Galaxy S26 Ultra, Samsung is pushing that idea even further. According to well-known tipster Ice Universe, all four corners are getting even rounder. The goal? A phone that feels smoother and more natural in the hand. Some people might say Samsung is copying Apple, but honestly, this seems more like Samsung putting comfort and usability first. And it's not just about the corners. The S26 Ultra is rumored to be thinner, lighter, and overall easier to handle. At the same time, it could be a bit taller and wider, which might offset some of that slimmed-down feel. On top of that, the display is getting a slight bump from 6.86 inches on the S25 Ultra to 6.89 inches on the S26 Ultra. The trick is slimmer bezels, so you get more screen without making the phone harder to manage. All in all, the Galaxy S26 Ultra is shaping up to be another impressive release. Rounded corners, a thinner and lighter build, a bigger display, and a strong focus on comfort and usability. If Samsung delivers, that'll be 3 Ultra models in a row that hit the mark. So what about you? Do you prefer the sharp, boxy look of the older Ultras, or are you glad Samsung is bringing back the curves? Fresh rumors suggest that Samsung's upcoming Galaxy S26 Ultra could sport a massive new camera island. But sadly, the same excitement doesn't extend to its battery. For months, some leaks hinted at a potential upgrade from the S25 Ultra's 5,000 mAh to a larger 5,500 mAh cell. Unfortunately, those hopes have now been crushed. A recent listing from China's Quality Certification Center confirms the S26 Ultra will carry a 4,855 mAh rated battery, translating to the same 5,000 mAh typical capacity as its predecessor. In other words, Samsung isn't pushing battery innovation here, even as several Chinese rivals prepare to equip their 2025 flagships with 7,000 mAh batteries. The reason? Samsung still seems reluctant to adopt the newer size C battery tech that makes those larger capacities possible. The only glimmer of hope lies in charging speeds. Rumors point to the S26 Ultra possibly supporting 65-watt fast charging, a first for Samsung, which until now has capped its flagships at 45 watts.